Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my May Boxycharm along with my Boxycharm add-ons. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Let's pop it open. Here's a little sneaky peeky of what's inside here. And it is Boxycharm Flourish. Seems to be the theme for this month. There's the card. We have all the information about the products in the box on the card. We'll start with this Lavish. Looks like an eye brush set. So here's that. That's nice. I will definitely get some use out of that. Not sure what the brushes feel like. Hopefully they will work for me. But, you know, I'm not picky. Yeah, they feel really good. Okay, that's cool. So the Lavish brush set, let's see, where are we? The value for the brush set is $30. They are handcrafted and vegan friendly, so that's really cool. All right, the next thing we have in here is this Trestique brow pencil. Plus brow gel and mocha. You guys know that I cannot use mocha. I'm definitely going to have to reach out to these companies and let them know that for whatever reason, they think that I can use the dark brown, but I can't. Which I don't understand that because they send me stuff for my complexion, and my complexion is you know, obviously a darker complexion. So most people with a darker complexion have black hair and black eyebrows. I'm just saying. All right, so here it is outside of the thing. You know, I mean, it's fine. That's great, but I'm not going to be able to use it, so I'm going to pass it off to my niece. Let's take a look really quick here at the value for this. The value is $26. All right, wait, that's a 2-in-1 though. So how do you... What am I missing here, guys? I'm sorry. Like, I was just so irritated that I couldn't use it. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's cool. So it comes out like that. All right, that's pretty awesome. And then obviously this part here is for your brow. Sorry, I just got so irritated that, you know, it wasn't the right color for me that I just didn't really show it to you. Okay, so, oh, I picked this Shape Tape. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. I did pick this out. I hope that's the right color. We shall see. I don't know. Let's pop it open real quick, guys, and we'll just have a look at it. Oh, so what does this do? Oh. So it's like dual-ended. So here's the one end. I'm just going to go ahead and try it out really quick because, you know, I did get this for me. Here it is on my hand right there. Let's just rub it in. Okay. That's cool. I think I definitely got the right color because you can't see it anymore. And what does this end do? So would I just keep pressing? Or it's, oh, it's a blender. This is why you guys came here. So it's to blend the product in. My bad. Okay, so that's cool. How much was that? Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. Its value is $27. So at least I got the right color, and now I know how to blend it into my skin. Awesome. All right, Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm. Who's this by? Sophia and Mabel. Okay, so there's the packaging right there. Let's pop this puppy open. Ooh, that's nice packaging. Check that out, guys. That's very cool. I like it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's very cool, though. Oh. 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 This is why you guys came here, isn't it? All right, so it's like a nude color. Not excited about it. Ugh. Yeah. Like, I just put it on my hand, so obviously I either have to use it or I pass it off to somebody who doesn't care that I just did that. All right, so Sophia and Mabel Hydrating Hybrid. The value for this is $15. This is 3.5 grams. I didn't say how much the Tarte was. I'm sorry, guys. I guess I'm a little out of it. The Tarte is 6 milliliters on the Tarte thing, and I don't need to tell you about the eye brushes. And then the eye pencil, the gel is 0.84 fluid ounces. So that's backtracking all the stuff that I didn't show you. And then the finale is this Cab Cosmetics Day and Night palette. I already opened this part of it because I knew that this was in here. And I didn't want to, like, struggle opening it up on camera. Ow, yet I still am. Let's try that again. Awesome. This is why you guys came here. All right, I don't have my nails on. Okay, so here it is outside the thing. I had to take my nails off and give them a breather. So that's why I don't have anything on right now. Not that anybody cares, but that's why. Here's what it looks like, guys. All right, this is nice. Am I excited about it? Not really so much. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or pass it off to my niece. I'm really not sure yet. I mean, the colors aren't bad, but they're just not colors I gravitate towards very often. So that's why I'm thinking I may pass this off to her. I don't really know yet. All right. We'll set that aside. And the value for it is called a day and night eyeshadow palette. The value is $52. Okay, guys, so that makes the total value for this box from this month for me $150. All right, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and set this aside. And I will just jump right into my add-ons. So I picked this out before I realized that I was going to get one of these in my selfie box last month. Had I known that, I definitely wouldn't have bought one, but that's okay. Now I have two. But I got this Daily Concept hair wrap. What is it called? Your hair wrap towel. So I got one of these. I am excited about it. I mean, at least this one's purple. It's the color that I would prefer. Let's just open it up and show it to you guys. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, this one's different than the one I got. Okay, this has like a elastic part, but it's the same here at the top. You just take this, wrap it around your head, and then it has this that you hook it on to the little button, and it has your hair all entwined in here. I like the fact that this has this though, so that's cool. All right, I am excited about that. I don't know how much I paid for this stuff. I tried to go on their website, but apparently there's like a pop-up store or something. I didn't even know, so it wouldn't let me in. That's awesome. Okay, I also got this Luxie Complete Face Brush Set. So let me see if I can get this to you without the glare. I'm excited about that. I hear so many good things about Luxie brushes, and I have a couple myself. So when I saw this in the pop-up, I figured I would go ahead and give it a try. I think I paid $12 for this, so that wasn't bad. And this, everybody talks so many great things about this Sol de Janeiro, the Bum Bum Cream. This isn't the Bum Bum Cream. This is the Coco Cabana Cream. So here's that. And this is the thing, guys. I already opened this because I was just really curious about it, but I did not try any of it yet. I have not taken an ounce out of this jar. Let me just show you how much was in here. I was not happy at all. So check that out. That's how full it is, guys. Hello, it's almost empty. What the heck, man? So yeah, I wasn't very happy about that, at all. I mean, it smells good, it looks great, whatever, but they could fill up their jar, especially for however much this stuff cost at regular price. I'm just saying. So even though I got a discounted price on that, I'm not happy that it's not full. But that wraps up my Boxycharm for the month of May, as well as my add-ons. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Anybody who does not get Boxycharm currently and is curious about getting a box, I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Ooh, Boxycharm Flourish. There's the card for this month. That's pretty. All right, so we have all the products on the back here. If I was smart, I would have tallied them up ahead of time, but I did not. So let's just dig in. We have this... Maybe we will tally it up because you just messed up. So just start over and tally up your stuff. Awesome. And let's take a look at our little sheet here. Essential Eye Collection. And it is an Eye Collection 5. Oh my gosh. I'm not filming. I'm filming. I'm done. I'm so done.